welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you guys what is in my skincare fridge. So I just bought a skincare fridge off of Amazon, and I think the fridge was about $45. And yeah, guys, I love it. So I'm gonna show you what I have inside of it and how it works. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so here's my fridge. This is the brand name. It's called Astro Owl, and it is a mini skincare fridge. So this is in my bathroom, and this is what the back looks like. Let me see if I can pull it out a little bit more. You have the settings, so you can set it to warm or cool, or you can turn it off. This fridge you're able to take with you, so they have another cord that you can use to charge it or use it in the car. And then this is the main port that goes into the wall. And yeah, it's very simple, very easy. Literally plug it up and plug it in, and it has a handle on the top, which makes it easy to transport if you want to transport it. And you can use this for other things too. You don't have to use it for your skincare products, but I use it for my skincare products. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's go ahead and open it up. So it has a little black on the side. Ooh, something fell out. So I guess this will be the first thing that we start with. So the first thing I have is my vitamin C serum in my skincare fridge, and I got this from TJ Maxx, I believe. It's just a brightening and firming formula for a radiant, youthful skin tone. So the next thing we have is my face wash. It's almost gone. I need to get some more, but since quarantine is going on, it's kind of hard to get your hands on certain things. But I use the Clinique liquid facial soap, mild, and guys, this stuff does wonders. It really does wonders. I've been using it for a little while now, and it keeps my face looking good. It definitely helped me with my dark spots and stuff like that. So next, we have my Mario Badescu. I don't even know if I pronounced that right. But my facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water. This is what gives me my glow after I wash my face. So it's definitely hydrating. Hydrate. So I use this. This is a lip scrub that I got from TJ Maxx. It's pretty good. I just keep it in here, so I always have some type of moisturizer after I brush my teeth or wash my face. Next, we have my Garnier Skin Active Water Rose 24-hour moisturizing cream, and it's like a gel-like consistency, but it's like my lotion, if that makes sense. So this is like my main moisturizer for my face that I use, and guys, it's so light. It just gives me like good moisture. I don't feel oily and nothing like that. So if you want to try it out, go ahead and try it out and let me know what you guys think. I also have a mud mask. This is the mask that I had tried on for the first time in one of my previous videos. And it's great, guys. You can see it's so cold. It got like water running off of it. But I love it. And I also have my toner. I use the Thayer's facial toner. This one is the cucumber scent, I guess you could say. And it's very refreshing. This helps even my skin tone as well. And last but not least, I have a little facial mask that my sister had got me for I think Christmas or something. She buys me like little knickknacks that I can use to help hydrate my skin or, you know, for my skin. I believe this one has rose water in it too. Yeah, infused with renewing rose. But yeah, guys, and this actually comes with a tray. So if you want to put the tray in the refrigerator, you can do so. I just don't have it in there like that because my face wash bottle is kind of tall and it wouldn't go all the way in if I was to put it midway. So it fits everything that I have perfectly in it, and I'll just add more stuff as the other things go away. So I'm running out of face wash. I'll probably be getting another one soon, and I'll just replace that new face wash with the old. And it has like a little notice on here to tell you how to use it, how do you prevent electric shock, just basically how do you keep the fridge, you know. And yeah, guys, that's everything that's in my skincare fridge. I hope that you like this video. If you have any questions about the skincare fridge, just drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. Bye, guys.